All right, we're out here fall muskie trolling, and we're kind of on a little bit of a pattern, moving off of during the summer periods. Generally, in most fishing scenarios, fish like a little bit more of an erratic action, something with a little bit more of triggering qualities. Here in the fall, we're finding that these fish, they really like something with a tighter, more of a shimmy type action. And in order to do that, we've got these longer, thinner minnow baits to get a nice tight action to them, a little bit more subtle. The fish really like it as the water cools down here, kind of following that trend in all fishing, but the muskies this week have really responded well to it. So next time you're out in the fall, definitely try something with a little bit of a tighter wobble or shimmy to it, and maybe get away from the slightly more erratic baits as the water temperatures tend to cool here.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.